Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. Friends, if you face any problem in allowing or blocking camera on Google Chrome browser, then you simply need to click on these three dots and here click on settings. In settings, click on privacy and security. Now here scroll it little down and click on site settings. Now in site settings, you need to scroll it little down and click on camera. Now in camera settings, you need to select sites can ask to use your camera. Now after selecting this option, you need to check that you have selected the correct webcam. Like in case you are using multiple webcam on your computer, then you need to select the correct webcam. In my case, I am using only one webcam. Now after selecting a working webcam, you need to check that your website is allowed to use camera. Like when you open a website, it asks for permission. So after allowing that website to use camera, that websites come in the allowed list. Like in my case, I have allowed two websites to use camera. Now later if you want to delete any website from your allowed list, then you simply need to click on this delete button. Now the deleted websites need to ask for the permission again. And if any point of time you want to block all the websites to use your camera, then you simply need to select this option. So friends, like this you can very easily allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.